backlink from your actual home website to Ranking Mastery. So the reason why we do this is because just as simple as you have a phone with different contacts in so you have your favorites and your contacts in your phone, so you can have easy dial access to them. And if you have contacts in your phone, likely you know them, the people or the contacts or the businesses pretty good. So your website works the same way. So Ranking Mastery links back to your website, and it's important for your website to link back to Ranking Mastery so that they know each other. So if they're complementing each other, they're working with each other, they're sharing the same data back and forth. So in the example of my website, okay, let's put on bmxfreestylers.com. Okay, so here is my website right here. In at bmxfreestylers.com, I need to link it back to my Ranking Mastery website. So on that page, I have added a link down here somewhere and right here. So I have added a link that's right here. And the keywords that I'm relating that website with are Anti-Bullying Charter School, California School Assembly. Okay, and on this page, it has the same, Anti-Bullying Charter School Assembly. So now they're talking to each other in the same language. That's just kind of a rough estimate of what really is going on. So basically you want to complement each site. So how do we put a link from your site to Ranking Mastery? And that's what we're going to cover here. So we've provided obviously the video you're watching, some details here, but down here below we've created a source for an actual copy and paste link. So if you copy this and give it to your web designer, or if you're familiar with building websites and you want to put a link on your site, that will generate this right here. It's basically a basic link with the words that we want to have linking back, and then the link will go back to Ranking Mastery. Or if you just want a button, we've also created a button. So you can take this down here, copy and paste it, and put it on your website, just like I have done here. Okay, so I've put the link. You may want to put the link or the button, that's up to you. So somehow you want to put that on your website. So if you go ahead and do that, this certainly will see big difference in the rankings of this and this. And just to show you that, so if I take these words right here, copy, and I put them in Google and I hit search, you'll notice Ranking Mastery today, it always changes, but relatively most of the time, Ranking Mastery is the top 1. BMX Freestylers is top 2, 3, and if you went through some of our trainings, you know that we want to get as much real estate on Google as we possibly can, okay? So if you scroll down, you'll notice I have my Ranking Mastery pictures here as well. So you see those, they're on my site here. You see the logos, etc. They're on there. So you can see we're dominating pretty good here. Actually, in my case, I have this one right here, this one right here, this one right here. This is actually another website I own as well. And if you go down here a little bit, we have the images. You can also click here to see the images. So we got a pretty dominant coverage of Google. So all these top 4 images are mine. All these down here, most of these are mine as well. So if people click on those, they're going to go to my website. So you can see the Ranking Mastery there. You can see the BMX Freestylers there. So we're looking pretty good for this search. So once you've done that, you can say, I did this, or mark this complete, and then you'll move on to the next thing. But this is a very, very important part of the whole process, is having a link from your site to Ranking Mastery. And Ranking Mastery should automatically be ranking back to yours, because either you have an opt-in or a call to action, or your website within the details that is linking back. And we make sure to sprinkle that throughout the websites so that that's happening for you. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to you doing that. Once you have done that, mark it complete.